hope this isn't a big map. Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh man, okay.
What's nice is because I'm using the headset, you can't hear my units say what they are, and then you're secretly making schemes. I'm on to you.
I've only heard like a few things once here or there, and honestly, I couldn't pick the units out.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Multi-engine.
Okay, I think I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. Not quite.
Oh,
Almost.
no
Almost
worries.
ready.
I'm going to do this whole battle in cinematic mode.
With no unit descriptions?
No UI whatsoever.
That
Just kidding.
sounds terrible. Yeah. Like I've been playing with ever since I started playing with the thing up, it's way easier.
Oh, the unit card thing?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Ready to go.
Okay, what we got?
The Claws of Nagash, huh? And double dragon and a terrorgeist.
River trolls. I don't see any archers. I think there are night goblins afoot. I suspect night goblins. Who's your lord?
Where is the Lord?
Grom the Punch. Okay. And we got Biggins, two goblin spears, Biggins. There's your night goblin.
Now. With haste.
Ooh, get those cavalry out of the biggins, that's for sure. That's not what we want. Dude.
Oof, that was a tough one. That was not awesome.
Nope, you can stay there and keep fighting them. That's fine. Ooh, wow, he is getting beat up. Get out of there. Oh, that's not where I wanted that. Okay, wow. I don't think this is going well for old Keith.
I'm not feeling too great about it, although I'm about to get your lord, which is okay. That part's going well.
With haste,
Come on.
swiftly. All that breathes shall die.
I may have wasted...
Come on.
Nope, don't go back into there. Come on.
With haste. Undead descendant.
Come on. Yes! Okay. Sick.
Why are they not breaking?
Vanhill's will. Now. Mortis engine.
Oh, it still says it's pretty even.
That's what I'm saying. Come on. Does that not count as magic?
Beating heart.
I don't think I have any infantry in there for you to be hitting with those.
I thought I was getting the wraiths.
Oh yeah,
Magic?
they are in there.
Damn, my
they are
unit's
not.
just chilling over there. Okay.
No, I definitely just don't have enough for this.
Nah, we need to get that.
Nope. Yeah, get him out. Kill him.
There we go. That's what I wanted to go down. Yeah.
Dude,
Okay.
why are... I guess Scrum the Paunch gives
Delete.
immune to psychology. Oh, yep, there, that's it.
Whoa.
Game over, man. Game over.
Nice game. That was tough.
I don't know, you still have a shit ton of stuff on the field. That was not a good game.
I mean, I was pretty close to losing a few times. I don't know. That was tough. That was pretty tough.
I should have put
Overriding
my
old replays. Whatever.
should have put my lord on a Hellsteed. Did not pay for themselves. I had no real target for the
Damn.
Banshee.
Look at those archers, dude. I got so much value out of the archers.
Holy crap, 1,500? Yeah, 1,300? Holy shit. Oh wow, almost 2,700 on the frickin' Terrorgeist.
Ooh. How did the claw do? Claw did pretty good.
Yeah, not... I think it paid for
Your
itself,
lord
but
did
still
okay.
not.
1,200. Yeah, he
Yeah.
must have done Grom, right? He was attacking Grom
Mm-hmm.
and the orc boys.
I don't know what, like, I guess it was your archers, but, like, I looked away and he was just suddenly, like, super low.